What if I tell you your YouTube channel could have failed, not because of bad content, but because of a few hidden settings you probably haven't touched yet? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 7 must turn on settings inside your YouTube studio that most creators completely ignore. One of the settings can literally save your channel from hackers, and another one can unlock features you didn't even know it exists. So stick around. If you miss any of these settings, it can slow your growth on this YouTube space. Before we go into details, let me introduce myself to you who is just seeing me for the first time. Hello there, my name is Yahaya Dorothy. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share tips to help creators like you grow and succeed on YouTube. So if you're serious about building your channel, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next upload. Turn on your bell notification so you will always get notified, okay? Now let's get right into it. On your phone menu, tap on the browser, preferably the Chrome browser. Once it loads up, on the search bar, type YouTube Studio Desktop. Tap on enter after typing. Once it loads up, long press on the first result. These options will pop up. Select open in new tab in group, then tap on the YouTube logo. This is going to load up YouTube Studio in a desktop format on your mobile phone. Now the first setting on the list is channel branding. They say first impressions matters. You will want to make sure your channel look professional when people visit, especially if they are visiting your channel for the very first time. To do this, head over to customization. This icon that looks like magic wand, click on it. Now you're going to upload your channel banner. Think of YouTube banner as your billboard. It should clearly show what your channel is about at a glance. If you don't know how to create a channel banner, which is also called YouTube channel art, I have a detailed tutorial video that will guide you through the process step by step so you can create one for yourself. I will leave the video link on end screen and also in the description box, so make sure you click on it, watch it right after you are done watching this video. Now the next one is to upload your profile photo. So scroll down a bit and you'll see a space where you will be allowed to upload your profile picture. Right here, you will upload a profile picture that represents your channel. This could be your personal photo or a brand logo. Once you upload it, click on save. That's all. Now you will want to pay more attention to this next setting because it's kind of scary, but don't worry, I will walk you through it. 90% creator make this mistake. In fact, I know a creator whose channel got hacked last year. I won't be mentioning her name, but that was a painful experience. These creators use the same email for their YouTube login and their business contacts. Using the same email for both your business contact and your YouTube login make it super easy for hackers to trick you with fake sponsorship email. So when you click on their link, they immediately have access to your channel, and most times you might not get it back. So what you should do instead is to create a separate business email just for the purpose of collaboration, sponsorship, and so on. To set this up, scroll down to almost the end of the page, then select contact info box. Add your business email that you might have created, and if you haven't created any email yet, go ahead and do that. Once you are done creating the email, paste it in this box, then go ahead to publish. This one step can save you from losing your channel overnight. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button so YouTube will show this video to more creators. Okay, thank you. Moving on to the next setting is indicating your location. This might sound simple, but it is very powerful. Tap on setting, then click on channel. Under basic info, select your country of residence. Make sure you put your exact country you are based at the moment. Some creators try to play smart by selecting country with higher CPM, but here is the real truth. If your location is not set correctly, it can lead to tax issues later, and it will even create more problem in receiving your YouTube paycheck later. So I will say again, choose your real location. You will thank yourself later when monetization kicks in. Still under basic info, beneath country of residence, you will see a box for keyword. Now you are going to fill this box with keywords related to your niche. Think of this as how YouTube categorizes your channel, so add keywords that match your niche. So when viewers search, your channel will be among those YouTube recommends. For example, if you're a YouTube tutor or a YouTube educator like myself, your keywords should be like YouTube growth tips, channel setting, and so on. I hope you can see how I fill up this box with relevant keywords related to my niche. There are 500 words character, so make sure you utilize the word character and make sure you separate each keyword with commas or just hit enter after you typed each one. So when you are done adding as multiple keywords as possible, go ahead and click on save. If you are confused on how to come up with keywords related to your niche, use rapid tag. The next setting is identifying your channel audience. Under advanced settings, you will see audience option. If your content is not made for kids, don't select made for kids. I will tell you why. Kid friendly channel gets fewer advertisers, which will result to low revenue. Also, YouTube is strict about protecting kids under the age of 13 and below, so choosing the wrong option can hurt your channel visibility. After you are done identifying your audience, scroll down a bit. You're going to see automatic caption. Although automatic captioning can occasionally make mistake, but this setting helps creator avoid violating YouTube platform guidelines by automatically hiding potentially inappropriate word caption. The next setting we will be working on is the feature eligibility. This is where YouTube unlocks your creator superpower. Still under channel, click on feature eligibility. You will see 3 levels of these features: standard, intermediate, and advanced. As you can see, I have already enabled the 3 of them, but I will guide you through how you can do yours. Now for the standard feature, as long as you adhere to YouTube community guidelines, by default, the standard feature will automatically be enabled. Moving on to the next one is the intermediate. The intermediate feature allows you upload video longer than 15 minutes. It allows you live stream and also lets you add custom thumbnails to your video. To unlock this feature, just verify your phone number. Click on verify phone number and it's going to take you to a fresh page. Now go ahead and click on how you want to receive the code, either by text message or by a phone call. Once the verification code is sent to you, input the verification code and click on submit. The next setting to turn on is the advanced features. This one is huge and very important because this feature gives you monetization eligibility, allows you to add clickable links, access community posts, pinned comments, and many more. There are 3 methods to access it, but the fastest one is through video verification. Click on use video verification and Google is going to send you a verification email to your mail. Verify the message that you received, then allow Google access to your phone camera. Google will ask you to record a short clip turning your head side by side. This will feel a little bit funny, but once it's approved, you will have full access. After you are done turning your head side by side, click on submit, then wait for them to approve. The approval usually takes 2 to 3 days. The next setting is upload default. Here you can type automatic chapters, add tag related to your niche, write a standard intro in your description box, add your social media link in the description box. You can also add links to your other videos or playlists that might go up with your video every time you upload. By doing this, it will save you time, but you can leave it blank just like I did. Since my video title is always different from the other, I like to work on the SEO whenever I am uploading the video. Also, set your visibility to unlisted by default. This way, if you upload a video but you realize you need to edit something, you can always go back to make changes. If your visibility is set on unlisted, you can go public whenever you want your video to go live. Moving on, click on advanced settings. You will see automatic chapters, which can also be called timestamp. Chapters or timestamp are a must-have if you are covering multiple topics in a single video.
video because they help increase retention and watch time. Your viewers can easily jump to the parts that interest them the most instead of dropping off. So you can turn on automatic chapters, but keep in mind they are not always accurate. I will recommend that you should create your own timestamp manually. That way you stay in control and make sure each chapter is clear and correct. Again, manual chapters don't just help retention, they can also boost your video visibility on Google search. That is a win most creators don't even realize they are missing out on.
If you find this video really helpful and value packed, give it a thumbs up. Your like will really impact the growth of this channel. And tell me in the comments, which of the settings did you already know about and which one is brand new to you? I would really love to hear your answer. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. For now, bye. I will see you all in my next video.